Hi everyone, and welcome to my video on Dynamics GP and Twitter integration. Sometime in the future, we may see more of the social ERP, that is, ERP that is tightly coupled with social media platforms, such as Twitter and Facebook. The benefits of such a system could include better collaboration and communication with customers and vendors, cost savings through intelligent data mining, and process improvements. In this video, I will be demonstrating a concept of how a Dynamics GP social ERP might look. In this example, I will link Dynamics GP real-time with Twitter. This is a concept video. It is not part of Dynamics GP, but rather something I have built to demonstrate the potential for both social media integration with Dynamics and also showing Dynamics GP's integration capabilities. The first part of the demo, I will show a tight integration with the customer card in Dynamics GP. Let's navigate to the customer card through Cards, Sales, Customer. You can see that the customer card is the standard GP customer card, except for a new field added, Twitter account. This links the customer and GP with their Twitter account and is maintained right on the card, so you don't need to go searching for their account every time. Let's select a customer, say Microsoft. Selecting the customer pulls up the customer record and shows the Twitter account, in this case, Office. Clicking on the Tweets button opens the Tweets window, which in real time goes out to Twitter and pulls down the latest tweets directly into Dynamics GP. You don't need to leave the application to get the customer's tweets. You can see that all these tweets are hyperlinked, so you can click on a link and it will open a web browser to that tweet. Let's open this first tweet. We heard feedback. You can see that the tweet is now open. We heard feedback, and we're happy to announce that Office for iPad now has printing. Let's close that. Let's close this and select another customer. Say JetBlue. You can see their Twitter account is JetBlue. Clicking on the Tweets button goes directly to their tweets. You can see that all the tweets are ordered in chronological order. Now let's see the other side of the Twitter integration with Dynamics GP, creating a tweet. Let's navigate to the purchase order entry form. Transactions, purchasing, purchase order entry. We may have a scenario where you have a Twitter relationship with one of your vendors. Maybe if you tweet your purchases you get a discount, or maybe you want to start a conversation with them regarding a purchase. Let's pull up an existing purchase order here. Let's pull up the last one. And you can see here the vendor is Amazon. Now this is the standard purchase order entry form in Dynamics GP, except we do have a new button here, Tweet This Purchase. If I click on this button, you can see it's automatically defaulting the Twitter information from my vendor. The vendor is Amazon, and we have Amazon hashtag and @Amazon. I can enter in my tweet directly into this window here. I'm going to enter a tweet here. Just purchased 100 XLG. And I'm just going to put in brackets here demo, because this is actually going to be live to my Twitter account. I'm going to now hit send tweet. And you can see the tweet has been published. Now if I open up a browser and go directly out to my Twitter account, let's take a look and see how this tweet looks. So here it is, 11 seconds ago. It says, I just purchased 100 XLG demo. I'm going to delete this, and let's delete that from there. And I'm just going to do another tweet from here. I'm going to say, while we have this up on the screen, let's say I'm going to say, I love your products. Send the tweet. Tweet's been published. I can come over here, refresh. Oh, actually, there it is. It's already refreshed. I love your products. Let's delete that. The ability to tweet from within Dynamics GP interface could allow a close form of open communication, which could be beneficial to both parties. This integration uses Dynamics GP's development platform and also the Twitter API. In summary, this is a tight integration concept video that I built with Dynamics GP and Twitter, highlighting the social aspects of ERP, as well as the integration capabilities. Please contact me for any further information. and be sure to check out my other videos as well. Thank you.